Hello, I'm Brian Shervon. I work with Milwaukee Power Tools. Today we're at the C&L Tool open house tool show today, and we have a wide variety of tools as you can see on the table, anywhere from 18 volt to 12 volt in our modular pack out system. So this is our modular pack out system. It is the most versatile and durable modular storage out on the market today. Very easy to use. It's all mix and mass pieces. Pull the button, slide it off. Very easy to use. So we're capable of on-site, rolling this on-site. We have options where you can put in your van and at your shop storage. So we're all about organization. We have now adapted power tools into it as well. We have lights that run off the same stack, chargers now. And we continue to add a variety of accessories, hooks, battery holders, broom holders, utility. We do have the large rolling pack out as well. So you can fill this up and roll it, very easy to use.
How many batteries?
2. This is our new concrete saw, our 14-inch, 5-inch depth concrete saw. It has the power to cut through reinforced concrete up to 5 inches. It comes with 2 battery packs. It is water capable, so you can hook up the water to damp down the dust. It is on our One Key platform, which is our platform app that you download, and you could utilize it and track the tool. It has all full capability of the blade, the water, and then it is our MX fuel system. Today we're going to start looking at our M18 version. So on our M18 version, we just kind of revamped the line, and now we have versions that are low torque. As you can see, the different sizes. This would be low, medium. See the different size here. So more foot-pounds, obviously. 650 on the medium. And then we have the larger high torque half-inch, which is about 1,200 foot-pounds. Good for taking off lug nuts for just about any vehicle with 1,200 foot-pounds. They were, the mid and the low have been redesigned with a flat front and tri-lights, so there's no shadow whenever you're using it, dark spots. And soon to come, we're going to be redesigning the high torque as well. Okay. And we offer that in quarter or 3/8, half, and 3/4 inch high torque.
What's the torque on that?
That's 1,500 foot-pounds.
Okay. And I see a truck tire.
Yeah, the big boy. Yeah. This is our 1-inch, which would be 2,000 foot-pounds. We have an extended anvil, as you can see here, and then we have just the regular 1-inch nipple on it, like the pistol grip version.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. This would be our compact version. This would be the D-handle version.
What's the torque on that one?
So this is 1,800 foot-pounds.
Oh, you don't lose much for
you don't lose.
Big downside.
Yes,
right?
right.
Okay. So Milwaukee has a wide range of tools for a lot of applications. But that's all we really have time for because we are on the clock. I know you're on the clock.
Gotcha.
You have guys waiting to talk to you, and we're going to let them get to you. But we appreciate your time. So you are Brian?
Brian Shervon.
With Milwaukee.
With Milwaukee Power Tools.
And not old Milwaukee, it's Milwaukee.
Meals on Wheels. No old Milwaukee. Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
You too, sir.
So as much fun as the camera wife and I had at C&L Tool Show this year, we got to say that the Milwaukee bench tables were the biggest setup for tools there. They had a massive array of power tools from 12 to 18 volts. They had hand tools. They had tool storage. They had a very good representation of what C&L stocks in their warehouse. They were busy. We actually had to shoot this in a couple different segments because there were so many paying customers. Now we're paying customer, but not that day. We were there having the free beef and pork and the frivolity of it all. It was a very nice day, but the Milwaukee tool part was a very nice setup, along with the other tool vendors that were there. I do need to make mention that the heated gear from Milwaukee, C&L has a very large inventory of it, and they just told me they put I don't want to share their numbers, but a very large order in that they'll be getting in September for the winter season. Here's one of their salesmen or owners modeling a piece of it. And these are just examples of some of the vests and coats and hoodies they have on stock. Probably should mention that the day was just gorgeous. This is the table where you first got to the booth and walked under it, but it was just some samples, you know, some Lyle stuff, Milwaukee fuel, gear wrench. I don't know, I think the igloo coolers were a door prize. We never got a call for door prizes, the camera wife or I. I didn't know gear wrench had a big toolbox. I'm going to have to research that because that's pretty sharp looking. I want to thank God for a beautiful day to go down there. Never a bit of rain, light breeze, just perfect weather for it. We're inside now, and we just walked up and down the aisles. Mostly the camera wife walked up and down the aisles with the camera, just getting, you know, just getting a feel of what all they stock. Now, I'm going to use that big box store with the initials HF. You go there and everything's neatly packaged, but everything in this store, I'll say almost everything in this store, is really high-end stuff. It's they got a lot of inventory, and all their inventory is out. This is this is about half the size of their building, and they may have other buildings, I don't know. But this is about half the size of their buildings, their showroom for tools. And you can see the massive Milwaukee section that takes up one entire row. There's a lot of other tools, a lot of the brands they carry. We're still wandering around in the Milwaukee aisle here. But just, I'm impressed at the number of dollars C&L has just in Milwaukee. They got Metabo down there at the end of this aisle, and they've, lots of hand tools, and all these tools, none of them are the cheap stuff. These are all better lines, and they're in a market that can get away with that. They're near Pittsburg, Coraopolis, Pennsylvania. If you're in the area, I suggest you, if you want good quality tools, get in there and deal with them. If you're not in Pittsburgh, and we now are a wholesaler for them, we can sell everything they have, and we can ship anywhere in the lower 48 quite easily. And if you see something in these videos that you're interested in, contact me through thecompressorguru.com. They do have some lines that are competitively priced with the HF store, but better quality, like the PT tool that we were mentioning earlier. But, they've got aisles of good stuff. You're going to see coming up here, you're going to see basically both sides of the aisle filled up with Lyle tools. You're going to see they've got lots of I lost my train of thought. They've got lots of sets of gray pneumatic stuff. The red boxes are all sets of Sunex tools, lifetime warranty tools. I've sold a ton of them, and nobody complains about Sunex. Lifetime warranty, no problem. Trading them in, getting new stuff. Actually, I don't know what all this is on the left side here. We're looking down this aisle. I'm not sure what brands we're looking at here. But they've got a great selection of tools. I didn't see any parts in here. This is not a parts store. This is a tool store. And if you want something good, you go to the specialist. These guys specialize in tools. There's their channel lock selection. And I love the fact that they got Knipex. I love Knipex. And here's some Knipex stuff. That is a high quality German manufacturer. I see a whole lot of channel lock blue down there. Guys, these people deserve, well, they deserve my business. Now, to check this out, this whole row on the right side and some of the left side is Lyle. They have over 900 part numbers in Lyle. And we talked to the Lyle guy earlier in this today, and he's up this week in an episode. It was earlier this week it posted. But Lyle makes a great specialty tool. They've got a tool for every little problem you may have on a car or a big truck. And, you know, you may only know them for buying their filter wrench, but they've got all kinds of solutions tool-wise. I can't get over how many good quality lines they have and just how much inventory they have. This side here on the left, that's all Gray Pneumatic sets. Gray Pneumatic is, I actually like Gray Pneumatic a little better than I like Sunex. They are lifetime warranty. You know, oh, this is the view from the other end of the aisle of the Lyle. I'm not doubling what they have for inventory, but that was just the view from the other end. And coming up here, oh, there's the noise culprit. There's the noise culprit. That fan was blowing outside, and that's why we had to go to remote miking. I want to thank Phil Scott for inviting us down, and we really appreciate it, and we'll be back next year. God bless. Have a great day.